In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a stick of memory in a computer. But first, don't forget to like this video at least 67 times, click that subscribe button, click that notification bell, turn on notifications, and don't forget to share it, comment, like it again, like it a couple more times, subscribe, click the notification bell, and turn on notifications. So the first thing you need to do in installing memory in your computer is you got to make sure you have the right type of memory. And then from there, you can install it. But before we install it, this video is sponsored by Totally Not a Scam Therapy and VPN Combo. Are you anxious? Afraid of bees? Convinced your toaster is a Skynet spy from the future? Well, great news. Our sponsor believes that all of those wildly unrelated issues can be solved by the exact same app. Just download it, mash a few buttons, and bam! Instant emotional stability and military-grade space-age encryption. Side effects may include confidence, confusion, and questioning why you're trusting an app that's definitely stealing all your data. And remember, if a YouTuber says it works, it must be legit. To install it, all you have to do is put it in the slot and push down. Hope you enjoyed my video, and thanks for joining my TED Talk. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install a stick of memory in a computer. To install it, all you have to do is put it in the slot and push down.